Hello there and welcome to Yoga Poses with Yoga with Andrea and an introduction to the foundations of asana practice. So today we're going to practice palm tree pose, otherwise known as Talasana. So this is a standing posture, so we're going to begin in standing nice and tall and straight with feet hip width apart and arms by the side of your body. Lift the sternum, opening the chest. Fix your gaze or your drishti ahead at a point slightly above the head and breathe normally. And you can stay in this posture for about 30 seconds to try to maintain balance. Perhaps you can try this with the eyes closed to add another dimension to this asana. Thank you for joining me for palm tree pose, otherwise known as Talasana. I look forward to seeing you next time. Namaste.